Hey people, what's going on? In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a highlight text effect in Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's get on with it. Okay people, now in Premiere Pro we've got a text. You can create whatever text you like, and then we've got a white paper background because personally I think it looks really cool. Then the next thing we have to do is go to the rectangle tool, or you can choose any of those tools. You can even use the pen tool, but in this case I'll be using the rectangle tool. Then before I go over the screen, make sure that you deselect any of the layers from the timeline. This is crucial. Then I will go to the program monitor and I will create a rectangle over the text, and then again I will deselect all the layers, select the rectangle tool, and then create another rectangle over the Premiere Pro. After that I'm gonna press escape and V so I can readjust a little bit. Then I will do the same thing with the second rectangle, but now as you can see they are over the text and they have to be under the text. So to do that I'll go, whilst you have the first layer selected, I'll go up to the effect control panel, then I'll scroll down to the blend modes, and from here I'm gonna change it to multiply. And as you can see now the shape layer, it's under the text. Then I'll do exactly the same with the second graphic layer, go down to blend modes and multiply. And also you can open the shape properties, go down to fill and choose whatever color you like. In this case I'm gonna use pink because it's a really cool color. Then I'll select the first rectangle, then again this time I'm gonna choose a white color. Now we have created the rectangle, but it's all animated. There's a few ways that you can create this animation, but personally I think that the crop effect is the easiest and the best effect you can use to create this animation. So I will go up to effects, I'll grab the crop effects and drop it over those two rectangle layers. Then while the first one is still selected, I'm gonna go up to the effect control panel, find the crop effect, go down to right, drag it all the way up to 41 or until your rectangle disappears. Then I'm gonna create a keyframe, hold shift and move 5, 10, 15, 20 frames, and then review the rectangle again. Let's play it. Okay, it looks cool, but it's not so smooth. So to make it smooth, I'm gonna select the second keyframe, ease in, then the first keyframe, ease out. And now I'm gonna move the cursor just a few frames after the second keyframe, select the second graphic layer, then go to crop and create a keyframe onto the right properties. Then I will increase the percentage until the rectangle have disappeared. Then I'm gonna move another 5, 10, 15, 20 frames and again reveal it. And I'll do exactly the same thing that I've done with the first two keyframes, ease in and ease out. So I'll play it again. Right, everything looks perfect, but let's admit it, in real life when you highlight the text, it's never a straight line or straight rectangle. It's always imperfect. So to create this kind of imperfect shape, I will go up to effects and type down turbulent displace. So I'm gonna grab the effect and again drop it over both layers, and then while the second layer is still selected or the first layer is still selected, I'm gonna go up to turbulent displace and change the turbulent to Boge. It doesn't look nice, so I'm gonna change it to Boge smoother. Okay, that looks better, but as you can see we have to change the shape a little bit, so I'm gonna expand it a bit. And by any means you can change the shape of these rectangles or create, not rectangles, you can create a, I don't know, a circle or whatever you like. Now I'm gonna do exactly the same with the second graphic layer. I'm gonna change the turbulent to Boge smoother. And also from this placement you can play around with these options. I just like the Boge smoother. And now as you can see I've got some sound effects onto the timeline. I'm gonna drag them and place them under the animation. So let's play it and see the final result. Wow, it looks amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you can create this highlight text effect in Premiere Pro. As you can see, it's super easy, but it looks awesome. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to find out how to restore a lost audio in Premiere Pro, you can watch this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.